Employees can grow within Deco very easily. It really depends on what they want to do, where they find their interest, and where their skill sets best match up, or something that they can easily grow into. We put every single opening out to our employees first. We try to, make sure they understand what the job is. They can apply for the job. They go through an interview process. They're able to see if they really want to take on the job. I call it exploration. So not only are we trying to choose the right person for the position, but they are exploring the job so that they also are deciding, is this a job that I want to do? Is this the next level for me? So it's a two-way street when it comes to choosing a job that they want to get into. And we always encourage all of our employees to ask questions, apply, interview, explore, and make a decision that's right for them, and we make the decision that's right for us as a company.